Hello students. In this video we are going to discuss about some reactions of metals, and the first one is the reaction of metals with acids. Metals react with acids to give a salt and hydrogen gas, and the hydrogen gas is evolved as bubbles through the solution. These reactions are usually exothermic in nature. For example, magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid to give magnesium chloride and hydrogen, and the reaction can be represented as Mg plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. Aluminium reacts with hydrochloric acid to give aluminium chloride and hydrogen and can be represented as 2Al plus 6HCl gives 2AlCl3 plus 3H2. Zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to give zinc chloride and hydrogen, and the reaction can be represented as Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. And in all these chemical reactions, hydrogen evolved as bubbles through the reaction medium. The rate of formation of bubbles was the fastest in the case of magnesium. The reaction was also the most exothermic in this case. Thus, if we put magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron and copper separately in test tubes containing dilute hydrochloric acid, the order of reactivity will be magnesium greater than, aluminium greater than, zinc greater than, iron greater than copper. In the case of copper, no bubbles were seen and the temperature also remained constant. This shows that copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen gas is not evolved when a metal reacts with nitric acid. It is because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the hydrogen produced to water and itself get reduced to any of the nitrogen oxides such as N2O, NO or NO2. But magnesium and manganese react with very dilute nitric acid to evolve hydrogen gas. Next topic, aqua regia. It is a Latin word and its meaning is royal water. It is a freshly prepared mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in the ratio 3:1. That is, in order to form aqua regia, if we add 3 drops of concentrated hydrochloric acid, then we want to add 1 drop of concentrated nitric acid to the mixture. Aqua regia is a highly corrosive fuming liquid. Aqua regia can dissolve gold. It is one of the few reagents that is able to dissolve gold and platinum. But concentrated hydrochloric acid or concentrated nitric acid cannot dissolve gold. Next topic, the reaction of metals with the solutions of other metal salts. More reactive metals can displace less reactive metals from their compounds in solution or molten form. That is, if a metal A displaces metal B from its solution, it is more reactive than B. For example, if we put iron nail in copper sulfate solution, the iron will displace copper from copper sulfate solution. This is because iron is more reactive than copper, and as a result of this displacement reaction, the blue color of the copper sulfate solution changes to green. At the same time, if we put copper wire in iron sulfate solution, there will not be any reaction. It is because copper is less reactive than iron and it cannot displace iron from iron sulfate solution. Similarly, zinc is more reactive than iron, so zinc can displace iron from iron sulfate solution. Next topic, reactivity series. The reactivity series is a list of metals arranged in the order of their decreasing activities. By using this series, we can compare the reactivity of metals and we can predict the feasibility of a displacement reaction. Though hydrogen is not a metal, but even then it has been assigned a place in the activity series. The reason is that Like metals, hydrogen also has a tendency to lose electron and forms a positive ion, that is H+. The metals which lose electrons less readily than hydrogen are placed below it, and the metals which lose electrons more readily than hydrogen are placed above it in the reactivity series of metals. So, these are some important reactions of metals. I hope you understood the topic. Okay, thank you.